Hey, this is Chi Montana, and I'm gonna open my birthday gift that I got from my brother. Uh, he said it's supposed to make my computer faster, so let's check it out really quick. Let me open it. Okay, I'm opening it. Let's see what it is. It is in Samsung SSD 850 Evo. It looks pretty new. 500 gigs. It's supposed to make my gameplay better. It's supposed to make my computer faster. Hopefully, if I could do it, it'll make my computer faster and I can play StarCraft easier and record everything I do. Let's open it really quick. Open it. Yes, this is what it looks like. This little small hard drive. I don't see no CD or anything. Oh, there it is. Here is the CD drive right here. But yeah, this is the hard drive. I guess that's it. And then I'll make a video that I will be installing it on my next video. Like I said, it's supposed to make my computer faster. My graphic card is supposed to be better, and so on. So I will be showing you on the next video. Please rate, subscribe, and comment on my below. Thank you for watching. Peace out.